Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We're very honored here at MCC to witness a Shahada today, inshallah. Sister Lacey is with us, and she's going to be joining us, inshallah, here, we hope, for this MCC community. We hope for the long run. And tonight, inshallah, she's coming to take her Shahada. So, Sister Lacey, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lacey. I'm 18 years old, and I'm from Castro Valley.
That's amazing. Tell me a little bit about what sparked your interest in Islam.
So I just graduated high school, but in high school, the end of my senior year, or actually this end of my junior year, I met these friends who are Muslim, and before I had no clue. I knew it was a religion, but I knew nothing about it. So I just never had any interest, and I found out these friends, and I saw them praying one day, and I was really confused on what they were doing. And then I asked them, and they told me that they were all Muslim, and I thought it was really cool. So I started to ask questions, and then that kind of sparked it. I just would always ask questions, and they kind of raised an eyebrow, are you curious about Islam? And I was like, no. And then during the summer, I studied Islam a lot. And then last fall, I was so curious about it. And then, I'm ready to take my Shahada. I feel like I've learned a good amount. So, yeah.
That's amazing. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. That's amazing. I'm just going to give a short little reflection on what you said there. To me, what an amazing thing that what sparked was seeing people pray. So the outward manifestation of showing your religion and identity and kind of being willing to kind of share that with everybody around you. And that was the first thing that kind of cued you into something that is happening that then was really changed things for you. So we're so honored to have you with us.
Thank you.
To witness a Shahada and somebody coming into the fold of Islam is such a huge honor for all of us. So actually, the honor is ours that you're here, inshallah. So I'm going to now walk you through the actual testification of faith, which is the first of the 5 pillars of Islam. And I'll say the Arabic first, slowly, piece by piece, and then we'll do the English. And then for those who've been in my halakas before, I have this specific thing that I like to do, which is actually after Lacey and I do the Shahada in Arabic and English together, I have the whole room together repeat their Shahada as well. It's just a kind of a solidification of each of our own testification of faith, and that way we get to join you. How does that sound?
Perfect.
All right, let's start. Bismillah. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. And I bear witness that the Prophet Muhammad is his messenger. Allahu Akbar. Takbir. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Shall we all say it together? Ready, everybody? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. MashaAllah. Welcome to the faith. Lacey, could I be the first to give you a hug?
Yes.
Welcome. MashaAllah. Now, I'm just going to warn you, there may be many hugs coming.
That's okay.
Inshallah. Just the last thing, inshallah, we here at MCC love to welcome you to our family. I feel that this place, especially this room for me, is like a family. Every Friday night we have here for the women a halakha, which is a gathering of women, and we have a lesson, sometimes myself or sometimes one of the other teachers, and a parallel girls program that's happening on the Friday nights. And we welcome you to join this space. It's a place to learn, to grow, to ask questions, and to be with us in sisterhood.
Thank you.
Inshallah. And we also have a gift for you, which is this box here on behalf of MCC called Being Muslim. And it's a Quran and a prayer rug and a series of books that we felt would be helpful when a person first comes into the faith to learn more about Islam. I know you've done a lot of reading, and I hope this is going to be just adding to that.
Thank you.
So, and I have a little card for you as well to welcome you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And let me just say this as we close here. Please know that Islam is, as a way of life, is also something that we take day by day, step by step. There'll be a lot of things kind of rushing at you, I'm sure. Please pace yourself.
Thank you.
And know that it is like the saying is, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So inshallah, we hope we're with you in this marathon, and we're here to be your family as you go forward, inshallah.
Thank you. That means
Welcome
a lot.
again. Welcome again. Takbir. Mashallah.
Yes. I'm going to just give you another hug. I'm so proud of you.